This will be a very brief video just showing how to manage classes. Obviously, this is a large chunk of code for the class, and this is something that it's really useful to sort of create them as modular sort of chunks of code. So I've spent all this time writing this class. It does all of these things in terms of it draws it, it moves it, it senses its position. And so what you can do is actually put these into tabs so they're separate from the primary program. So I'm just going to take all of this right up to the bottom of the draw loop. I'm going to cut it. Then I'm going to go here and I'm going to say new tab. And you want to give it the name of the class, capital O. And then I'm just going to paste that in there. I'm going to save it. And if we look here, you can see typically in a sketch folder you just have one PDE, one sketch, and now it's added a second PDE, which is the class. So we'll save that, and now we can move from our extremely short program and go work inside of the class. I think one of the things to remember is just be saving all of the time whenever you're working in here. Make sure you save it, because when you run a program or when you run a sketch, if everything isn't saved, then it won't necessarily run properly. So yep, that's it. So you can have dozens of classes that are part of your sketch. Okay.